Hi folks, so in this particular template, we have, like I said, a unique selling point here where we have these foreground and background images. Now these are not always going to be very super simple, straightforward to replace like you would have just a regular image, like one of these images down here in the body of your page. Those are just regular pictures. These pictures have the background one sort of fades out and the foreground image here, this of the pilot, that sort of has a cutout. So I'm going to break this down into two pieces. One is where are these images located, and two, how do you replace them? What size are they? Things like that. So we'll start with the location of these three images. So let's just go back to our editor. I'm going to open up our index page right here and flip it over to code view just to show you. So we have basically three images that make up that header. The blue sort of semi-angled, rounded piece down here, this angled blue piece, that's one image. Then there's the background image with the pilot dashboard in the hand, and then there's a foreground image with the actual pilot. So this piece right here, the very first one, that is the blue piece. That's that blue outline, and you don't need to do anything with that. The other two images, the background image is located in it's this image right here. It's called the header themed image index.png. Bit of a mouthful there, but basically the dashboard image in the background is located right here, site themed images backgrounds, okay, and it's the header themed image index right there. Now the size of this image is 1920 by 1080, and the foreground image right here, with the pilot, that image is in the same folder, but it's the themed image. So this is the background image, and this is the foreground image. So the themed image is just the foreground image, and the themed image, or sorry, the header themed image index is the background image. So if you want to replace them, just create images of the exact same name and put them into the same folder just to replace them. You don't have to do anything more complex than that, or you put your own image wherever you want to and just change the name or the path to the image right here. Now it's not something you're going to do in design view, or at least not very well, so I recommend you do it in code view. Okay, now like I said, this background image right here, I'm just going to open this up in Fireworks just to give you a bit of an idea here. I'm just going to unzoom this a little bit. So this is the checkered background is 1920 by 1080, and we did this so you can put your semi-transparent image up in the top right corner, right, and then it will scale properly. For the themed image, we'll just open that one up and we'll see the size, and the size once again is the same. We have a canvas size here of 1920 by 1080, and the themed image, as you see, sits in the middle of the canvas. So when you're creating your own images, the reason we did it this way is so when the page scales up and down, these themed images scale up and down proportionally with it. So you can create your own, whatever tool you like to use. You can just open up the existing PNG image with your own editor. So you can just open this with whatever editor you want, and you can see how the image is laid out, and just put your replacement image approximately the same size and same placement as this, and you'll get the same effect. Now there's a tool you can use online for uploading and removing the background of your images, and it's called Remove Background. Just do a Google search on Remove BG, like so, and then the Remove Background website. This is the site that I've used for cutting out my own background images. Okay, so you upload your file. Now there's paid and free plans. The free ones are not bad. It's a fairly decent image size. It's about this size of image, right? Well, a little bit bigger than this image right here that you can get for free, or you can do really big ones. If you have any issues with that or need any help, just contact us through the Ticket Center, upload your pic, and we'll see what we can do to help you out.